In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a loan from Credit Karma, providing a beginner's guide to navigating their platform with ease. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to Intuit's Credit Karma website. This will be your main hub for exploring various loan options tailored to your needs. Once you're there, take a look towards the top of the web page. You'll notice the Personal Loans section. Simply hover over it and you'll be greeted with multiple loan offers. This drop-down menu reveals a range of options designed to fit different borrowing needs. Right next to personal loans, you'll also find the auto loan option. Hovering over this will provide you with a list of available auto loans and auto refinance loans. It's essential to consider these options if you're looking for vehicle-related financing. After exploring these categories, it's time to choose from the available loan offers. Carefully browse through the options presented to you and identify which ones align with your borrowing requirements. Now, a key step is inputting how much you are looking to borrow. This allows Credit Karma to personalize the loan recommendations based on your needs, helping you find the best match. Equally important is inputting your credit score. Don't worry if you're unsure what your exact score is. Credit Karma can help you determine this to better match you with suitable lenders. With this information, click on Search to generate loan offers tailored specifically for you. As you scroll down, you'll start to see the loan matches Credit Karma found based on your profile. These matches will show details such as available loan amounts, interest rates, often referred to as APR, and loan terms, which include duration and monthly payments. This detailed overview allows you to make informed decisions about which offers might work best for you. To delve deeper into these offers, click on See Details, Rates, and Fees. This is where you can gain a clearer understanding of what each lender has to offer. Make sure to do a thorough comparison here. Look out for the best combination of APR, monthly payments, and loan terms. Transparency in fees and repayment terms can make a significant difference in your overall loan experience. Finally, once you've selected a loan that you're comfortable with, you'll complete the lender's application. This typically involves providing some personal, income, and bank details. Upon approval, funds are usually deposited into your account within 1 to 5 business days. To ensure you stay on top of your payments, setting up automatic payments can be a handy tool. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to successfully securing a loan through Credit Karma. Remember, comparing offers and understanding the terms are key to finding the best loan option for your situation. Thanks for tuning in, and best of luck with finding the perfect loan.